Kopeze, you mean saying that your brother and I get this better house?
My brother, after our secondary school, that was, that time after our work.
Yeah.
So, our daddy, our father, sold one of the 2 plots he had. So, he has to send me to school with one of the plots. The money he raised from one of the plots.
Yeah.
Then my twin brother insisted that remaining one should be kept for him. He doesn't want to go to school further again. Rather, he wants to go into learning of skills. So he had to venture into learning of tiling, plumbing, and all the building things,
Handwork.
Yeah. So he has to go there. Between that year, 2 years, 3 years, boom, my brother has already made it. You can't imagine that my brother built this house. This is the same land my father reserved for him. Look at me today.
And your father sold your own land to send you?
He sold my land, used it to send me to school. After the 5 years, the money is gone. I have no land. I have no money. My brother is the one feeding me now. My twin brother is the one that built this house. He has made so many investments. And even now, he's in year 1 in university.
No be the thing why they tell you now. Make una they learn small handwork before una enter university. To go school good, but at least people will be share their mama or their papa no get money. Make them they learn handwork. At least that money where they make from your handwork, you go use that they sponsor yourself. Not be say you go just enter school. Okay, now your brother now don't build better house. The same person now they sponsor you, now they give you money. Okay, if you come make a invest now, you know go give you money again. Okay, your own land now, you know that again. I be that your land is still there. Maybe your father don't sell the land. You know can't get land. You know can't get money. The same person will be saying I still get this land where you use build house. You use land build a house. The same person now they sponsor you. Now they you see now the thing why they tell you now. Go learn small things where be say hard work good. If you learn them, you go use and they sponsor yourself. If you enter school, not be all the expenses your family go they do for you. Some money they go provide some money, but not be all the money they go they provide for you. You self advertise, you go to school, they send money to your family. Now the thing why I get to tell you.
At this age, what do you think I should do? Advise me. What do you think I should do? Okay, look at me with khaki, answering copper with no shit. Okay, I have gone to so many places, even where I'm having my PPA, to see if they can return me or give me job. There is no job out there. What do you think I should do at this age?
The thing be saying now for those ones where be say they never enter the school, at least make them try learn work before they enter. School, it good though make person go school, but make it learn work, get handwork before you enter the school. Now the thing why I get to tell you.
Can I still go back and learn work at this age? That's what I'm trying to know. I'm not happy watching my brother, my twin brother, doing almost everything for me. What should I do now?
If you go learn work, but ndị ba is kwanada market benanka o. Mani ya jekwa mu abuza na mutakwa. If you learn, if you sabi the work, it's good. But Adam kwake benanka na wetin I get to tell you be that too. You know say you be my friend.
Do you know that my friend, the other one, he's not riding keke. Riding keke, the other one in Owerri. I said he's riding Okada. A graduate in this country. What is the meaning of all this?